Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable mobile data always active on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. Next, we're going to go down and tap on developer options. And then, swipe down and get to the networking section and tap on mobile data always active. So tap on the switch to turn it on or turn it off. And it said that if you switch this one on, it always keep mobile data active even when Wi-Fi is active, and it's for fast network switching. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.